Hello, dear students. This is lecture 19, and I am Ashish Sharma, your physics teacher. And in last lecture, we have discussed how to make various ray diagrams for all 6 cases of concave mirror. In this lecture, we will study the ray diagram cases of convex mirror. Unlike concave mirror, which has 6 cases, convex mirror only has 2 cases. So let us start. The first case is when object is at infinity. When object is at infinity, we will apply the rules of ray diagram. Parallel light coming to the mirror will reflect such that it appears that it is coming from focus. Both the rays will follow the same rule, and image will formed at focus. The position of image is at focus. Image is highly diminished or point size. Nature of the image is virtual and erect, and magnification is 0. The second case is when object is between infinity and pole. When object is in between infinity and pole, and we apply the rule that parallel ray of light reflects such that it appears that it is coming from focus, and any ray of light which is directed towards center of curvature will retrace back the same path. So you are observing that a virtual image is forming at behind the mirror. Virtual because rays of light are not actually meeting. Rays of lights are appears to meet. In actual, rays of light are reflected and divergent. They will never meet. So they appears to meet at this point between pole and focus. So position of image formed in second case is always between pole and focus. Size is diminished, smaller than the object itself. Nature is virtual and erect because rays of light are not actually meeting. And for virtual images, magnification is always positive. M is equal to positive and less than 1. Less than 1 is indicating that image formed is virtual. Okay. So next is sign conventions. So as I told you, the first thing is that light will always travel from left to right. We will always make mirrors like their shining surface is on left hand side and their polished surface is on right hand side, and all the distances are to be measured as pole. तो हम पोल को कैसे कंसीडर कर सकते हैं? हम पोल को अपने ग्राफ पेपर की ओरिजिन मान सकते हैं, और हम सबको पता है ग्राफ पेपर में राइट हैंड साइड पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस होती है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस, ऊपर की तरफ पॉजिटिव वाई होता है और नीचे की तरफ माइनस वाई. तो एग्जैक्टली इन द सेम मैनर ऑल द डिस्टेंसेस विच आर मेजर्ड टू द राइट ऑफ पोल आर कंसीडर्ड पॉजिटिव, while all the distances which are measured to the left side of the pole are taken as negative, and all the heights which are measured upwards are taken as positive, while all the heights which are measured downwards are taken as negative. So this is a sign convention we must follow for solving numericals in our light chapter. Doesn't matter whether it's of reflection or refraction, doesn't matter whether it's of mirror or lens, we are going to follow the same conventions which we have just discussed. The next is mirror formula and magnification. Dear students, mirror formula gives us relation between focal length, which is the distance between focus and the pole, u position of object, and v position of image. सो मिरर फार्मूला क्या होता है? जो हमारे को रिलेशन देता है यू वी और एफ में. यू वी एफ हमारी 3 मेन चीज़ें हैं किसी भी मिरर या लेंस के लिए, वेयर यू इज़ द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द पोल, वी इज़ द डिस्टेंस ऑफ इमेज फ्रॉम द पोल, एंड एफ इज़ द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द मिरर. So for any mirror, doesn't matter whether convex or concave, this relation is going to be hold true for any case, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is known as your mirror formula, and you are going to solve numericals based on this. No need to learn the derivation at class 10th level, you just need to learn the formula. Next is magnification. Magnification is defined as height of image divided by height of object. Height of image is also represented by h dash, and height of object is represented by h. Also for mirrors, the magnification is always reduces to minus v by u. This minus sign we will put in case of mirrors. For lenses, I will tell you in future lectures that magnification will become plus v by u, but for mirrors it is minus v by u. Pay attention, practice the ray diagrams. Now you have learned total of 8 ray diagrams. We will also study 8 ray diagrams of lenses, 2 for concave and 6 for convex. See you in next lecture. Thank you. Take care.